Hello and welcome. My name is Elizabeth Baer and I'm one of the transportation specialists at Commute Seattle. This quick video will walk you through the Commute to Production or CTR program report dashboard and show you how to use it as an employee transportation coordinator. By the end, you'll know how to check your compliance status, understand what strategies your worksite offers, and see how you compare to similar organizations. The dashboard, as well as your compliance status and any next steps required by SDOT, should have been sent to you via email. If you need support in accessing it, please contact CTR at commuteseattle.com. Once you've entered your C code in the yellow box, your custom information should populate. You will see at the top your company name, site address, and total CTR employees. If any of this information needs to be corrected, please contact CTR at commuteseattle.com. Just below in the yellow box is one of your most important sections, your program report status. Here you can quickly see whether you are compliant for the current reporting year. This status is based on whether you're meeting CTR program requirements by offering at least 2 strategies in each category. Next, you'll see the strategy grid, organized into 3 categories. These match the CTR requirements. Category A, Employee Information and Amenities, Category B, Subsidies and Modal Support, and Category C, Parking Management. Each box represents a CTR strategy. Green tiles show the strategies your worksite currently offers, and gray tiles show strategies that are not offered. You can hover over any of the strategies to learn more about them and why they may be important for your workplace. Make sure you check out the gray strategies as well to see if there are any options that might be helpful for your site to implement in the future. On page 2, you can find comparison and performance information for your site. At the top, you'll see drive alone rate benchmarks. This data is from the 2024 survey. This includes your worksite's most recent survey data, if available, your network's drive alone rates for the past and current target periods, and your industry's average drive alone rate from the 2024 survey. Keep in mind that if you did equivalent data on a new site or did not hit your 2024 response rate goal, you may not have any data for the drive alone rate field. Remember, the 2026 survey cycle is coming up, so now is a great time to make sure you are set up to hit your goals this year. Below your DAR information are comparison tables for each strategy. These show which strategies your site offers, how common they are across your industry, and how common they are across your geographic CTR network. For example, you can see here under Category A that this site offers guaranteed ride home, and that 69% of the CTR industry that this site is in also offer that strategy as well. You can also see that 63% offer guaranteed ride home in their geographic CTR network. The check marks indicate what strategies are offered at your work sites, and X's show ones that you don't. This is a great way to see where your program is aligned or where it differs from similar organizations and organizations in a similar area. Finally, on the bottom right, you'll see the top strategies employees say would help them reduce driving alone. This is based on the 2024 survey responses. If you did not do the 2024 survey, used paper surveys, or equivalent data, this section may be blank. If your worksite already offers one of the strategies in this graph, for example, you can see in this one, they have guaranteed ride home as one of the suggested strategies, but we see that this already is offered by this worksite, you can flag this as a potential place where your worksite could benefit for increased awareness or education. If a top strategy is not offered, this could be a place for future investment. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful. Together, these 2 pages of the dashboard give you a compliance snapshot and a tool for strategic planning. Use page 1 to confirm that you're meeting CTR requirements, and page 2 to guide improvements, compare performance, and support conversations with leadership, your staff, or property management. Commute Seattle is here to help you with this process, so please feel free to set up a meeting with your team to discuss your results further, plan for the future, and ask any questions you might have. Thank you.